Factorize a square plus 10a plus 24. Plus 10a plus 24. So coefficient of a square is 1. So we need to multiply only with the 1 itself. So dash into dash should be what? 24. That means this one. Constant term into the coefficient of the first term. Coefficient of first term is 1. That means 24 into 1. That is 24 itself. So if it is 1, don't bother about that. We can write it as 24 itself. So dash into dash should be 24. That if we multiply any two numbers, we want to get the answer as 24. And we have to get the answer as plus 10 also. If we add or subtract, we want to get the answer as positive 10 and multiply, we will get it as 24. Which are the two numbers? So
6 into 4.
Using two methods, we can find the factors. Either using the prime factors or 1 into 20 factors. Prime factorization method or factors. So which is convenient for you that you can do. 1 into 24 is 24. So now if you are doing means this one is convenient. But while you are doing in 10th portions, 10th standard means this will be easy for you. You will get the idea about the bigger numbers means this is easy and higher numbers, smaller numbers means factors. Depending upon that question you can do. Okay. So 1 into 24 is 24 then. Then we do that. 2 into 2 in the working order. This one.
2 into 12.
12. Then
3 into 8. 24.
Do we want to write it again and again? This all the factors. While writing, just to check whether we will get the answer or not. After that, you can stop. We don't want to find all the factors. No, we want the answer only. No. So just to check it, 2 and 12 are there. We need a 10 and 24. So before doing the next step, just don't waste time. Don't waste time. Then next step, is it possible or not? Check it.
Ma'am, 6 and 4.
3 possible? 3 possible?
6 into 4 is
3
and 7. 3 and 7.
3 into 7 is equal to 24.
Who told that?
3 into 8.
3 into 8.
3 into 8.
21.
3 8s are only 24. Then 4.
4 into
6.
4 to 6, 24. 5 not possible. Then 6. So 6 already we wrote. So stop there. Then check it. Which one we can take?
Ma'am, 4 and 6.
4 and 6.
Only possibility is which two? Only possibility is 24 and 1. If we add or subtract, we won't get that. 10. 12 and 2. Sometimes there is a possibility. No, 12, 2. So 10 sometimes we will get. So possibility is 12 and 2. The next one is what? Is there any possibility 8 and 3?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
The next one chance is what? Next one chance is 4 with the 6 and 4. So depending upon 2 are there. Depending upon our question and positive sign also integers. So sign also we have to think. So depending upon that we have to take either 2 into 12 or 4 into 6. That we have to think. So which one?
4 into 6.
4 into 6. So 6 into 4, 24, 2 into 12, 24. It will satisfy 24. But we have to concentrate on which number, not 24. Which number? 10. First, we have to adjust this 10. After that, only you go with which one? 24. Okay. So, 10 possible or not? Check it. 12. Then
12 minus 2.
12 minus 2.
Okay, 12 minus 4. So, wait. First, we can do with the 12 and 2. I will. One second. Okay. 12 minus 2 plus 10. Okay. Then 12 sign is positive. Listen carefully. 12 sign of 12 is positive and sign of 2 is negative. So same thing we have to write in this 24 also. So first we will write it 12. Then next we will write negative 2. So 12 into negative 2 is what?
Negative 24.
Is it possible?
24.
No,
Is
ma'am.
it-
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
not
So we can't take which one?
12 and 12.
12
And
and
2. 12 and 2. So we can't take
4
this.
and
So,
4 plus 6.
next think about 4 plus 6 is what?
10.
So that same positive 4 into positive 6. Is it
24.
okay or not?
24.
24.
Ma'am, it is possible.
6 into 4, 24. So we can take that. So which are the two numbers? We have to split that. Which one? 10. 10a. We have to split.
10.
That is a square plus
Plus
4a plus
plus
6a
plus
plus 24. Or if you want to write 6 like this way, a square plus 6a plus 4a plus 24. That also is correct. Understood? At last you will get the same answer only. Don't worry about that. Same method you follow. Same thing you follow. What we are doing in here, that also same thing we are doing here. So anyway, we are getting 4a plus 6a or 6a plus 4a. Both methods I will write now in first question. So next question onwards, I will write only one. So same answer you will get. So first we can do with this. 4a plus 6a. Both will be the same answers. So a square plus 4a. From this two, don't write first. After that we can write a square plus a. Then a plus 4. No, tell me.
A plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
sister.
Ma'am.
Tell me. After that you can write.
6 we have to. Next, we have to write a plus 4. A plus 4 also.
Practice like that way because if you practice like this way, then it will be easy for you to do the next problems. That's why practice like this way. Plus what? 6. From here we can take what? A plus 4 is common from this term and this term.
And next
Term
term,
means
A plus 6.
into
plus 6.
a plus 6. So that will be your answer. If you are doing 6a first, if you are writing 6a first and 4a next means same thing. First from first to what we will take? A we will take, or A if we take, then balance will be what?
Balance will be 6a.
A plus 6.
No.
Plus 6. A plus 6.
A plus 6.
Yep.
A plus 6. So what we want to do? Same as a plus 4, we have to think about a plus 6. That same a plus 6 we,
Plus
if you write
4.
here,
Plus 4.
4.
Plus 2.
plus 4. Then from these two, which one is common? A plus 6 is common.
And A plus 4. A plus
6.
A plus 4. Look at that. A plus 6 into A plus 4 is same as A plus 4 into A plus 6. Both are same, no? So you will get the last answer same. Either you can write A plus 6 into A plus 4 or A plus 4 into A plus 6. Understood? Don't think that
Yes, ma'am.
I wrote A plus 6 first and may I write A plus 4 next, may I write like that way? Don't ask. Both are same. A plus 6 into A plus 4 and A plus 4 into A plus 6 both are same. So you can use any one method. So in first question, what you have to do is write two both. Write or and write two separately. Do this in the working column. If you need, write that factors. Write that factors also. 1 into 12 is, sorry, 24 is equal to 24. That factors. Then take that 2. Then again, we have to take only 4 and 6. That all things, write it in the working column. Then next question onwards, do one method. Okay, right. After completing, tell me.
Ma'am, completed.
In between, in
Ma'am, 1
between,
minute.
in between explanation. At that time itself you wrote. Anna Teresa, your mic problem solved.
Yes, ma'am. I am telling.
I'm hearing that. That's why. What about your mic problem solved?
Ma'am, my mic has nothing problem.
Then last range issue only.
Yes.
Then second question. A square minus 3a
minus 3a
is 40.
minus 4.
Minus 40. Just write what I have to write. Tell me. Very important, please. If you know this, then only you can do very easily. A square minus 3a minus 40. Which two numbers we have to take?
3 and
Ma'am, 3 and 8.
40 we need. Which 40? Negative 40 we need and negative 3 we need.
yes, ma'am.
So which method you are applying? Factors or prime factors? This method. Prime factor. This is
Ma'am,
prime
first
factors.
Factorization. Factorization.
Factorization. So you are doing this first. 40.
Yes.
2. Okay. Or not getting means you will do next method. No. If you are not getting, you will go with the which method? Factors method. Okay. So whether it is possible or not, check it. 2 again prime 10. So 2 into 2 4 10. 4 and 10 possible or not, think of that. Or you can do it another, then 2 5. Then again think of whether it is possible.
This is possible.
So 2 into 2
It's
into
possible.
2. 8.
8 in-
Ivan, turn off your video. Ivan, unknowingly you have. And Ivan. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 into 5. Okay, 8 into 5, 40. We need a negative 40. So depending upon this negative 3 only we can write. So what we have to write? 8 or 5 negative sign.
Negative 8.
negative.
Why can't we put negative 5 negative?
Ma'am, because the greater number sign.
The number sign only we have to put.
Negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign, no, greater number sign. So subtract means one should be positive and the other should be negative. So integers concept, negative 8 plus 5, negative 3. So same negative 8 and positive 5 itself. So negative 40, negative 8 plus 5. Now it's okay. Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Clear now? Okay. So
Ma'am, clear.
square minus 8
Square
A
minus
plus
8 plus 5a
minus 40. Do it after that only I will.
Ma'am, please.
Okay, so what you do? A, then balance.
minus
A
plus 5
minus 8.
plus 5 a minus 6.
Plus 5. Okay. Then A
A
minus
minus 8
plus A minus 8 into A plus 5. Okay. Okay, third question. 1 minus 2a square. Sorry, 1 minus 2a minus 3a square. So rearrange that. So which way we have to write? First you have to think of that.
3a square.
Ma'am, rearranging.
A square first, square term first, otherwise it will make you confusion. That is better. Rearrange that. First we are writing square, no? Then power.
Then power
10
1. Then times 2a.
If you are used with that means you can directly write the same 1 minus that, but now you don't do. It will make you confused. So question you rearrange 2a plus minus 3a square. So what we have to do? If you can do directly, you can, no problem. 1 into 3, negative 3 is negative 3 and middle term you can. Can you do it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So first a square term. So rearrange. First a square term, then
a square minus 2a minus 1.
no, not minus 1.
Plus 1.
So 3 negative 3a square minus 2a plus 1. So dash into dash. That means the
Two terms.
constant term plus the coefficient of the first term a square, negative 3a square. The a square coefficient is negative 3. So negative 3 into what? Positive 1. Isn't it?
Positive.
Positive 1. Negative 3 into positive 1 is what? Negative 3. So dash into dash, we have to get it as negative 3. Is it clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then if we add or subtract, we want to get which one? Negative 2. Negative 2. So 3 and 2 means that is easy, no? 3 and 2, no need of factorization or. Which will be 3 and 2 means 2 into 1, 2. 2 means only one possibility is there, no? So 2 into 1.
3.
Negative 3
into 1.
Negative 3 into 1.
Negative 3.
Negative 3
No.
plus 1.
Negative 3 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1. Anyone have any doubt in this? Negative sign or? No need to have sign. If needed means tell me. Okay. If needed means tell me. Next question onwards. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So negative 3a square. Then negative 2a we have to split. So it will be what?
Negative 3a plus 3a plus 1.
3a plus 1.
Plus 1a. That means okay. 1a. Okay. Write it as 1a. Okay. No problem. 1a then plus 1. From here, from this 2, we can take what?
3a.
3a. Okay. We can take negative also, no? Both have negative sign. Can we take negative also? We can take negative also. Here also negative, here also negative. So we can take negative also. Okay. Then balance. We have
A minus
A minus.
A minus 1.
Is it a minus 1? Check it. If you
A
change the
plus
bracket, you want to get it as
A plus 1. A plus 1.
a plus 1. Then only negative 3a into a is negative 3a square. Okay. Negative into positive only negative. If we are writing negative here, negative into negative will be positive. We need negative. So we have to put what? Positive itself. Then negative 3a into positive 1 is negative 3a. Then that same a plus 1. A plus 1.
Plus 1.
Fine.
Plus
Plus
1.
okay, plus 1. Plus 1. Then a plus 1 common.
1 minus 3a plus 1.
Negative 3a plus 1. Either you can write negative, positive first. So it can be rearranged as what? Instead of negative 3a plus 1, you can write it as 1 minus 3a. Usually we are writing positive sign first, no? So 1 minus 3a or both are correct. No problem. Okay, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Completed.
okay, fourth question. We are used with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, no? With the x, no. We are used with the x only. We are not used with the a square or a. So next, look at that question number 4. X square minus 3ax minus 88a square. So how can we do this? Fourth question, x square minus 3ax minus 88a square. So x square term, x term and without x. So think. Dash into dash should be what?
Ma'am, dash into
Dash into dash. Negative 3.
Negative 88.
Negative 88. We are thinking about x square, x term, and without x. Without x means the last term, the whole thing will be the constant term. Is there any x here?
No, ma'am.
Here x square, here x, then without x. So what we will do? Coefficient of first term, that is x square, 1 into the last term without x. So the last term without x means what will be? That will be our dash into dash.
Ma'am,
Last
didn't
term,
understand.
Square.
1 into
negative 88 a square itself, negative 88 a square full you have to take. X square minus 3x plus, minus 88 means what you will take? What you will take? X square minus 3x minus 88. What you will take?
88.
Dash into dash should be.
Negative 88.
How you are getting that negative 88? How you are getting that negative 88? You told negative 88. How you are getting that? Tell me. The last term, negative 88. If you multiply with the last term with the coefficient of x square is what? 1. That is negative 88 into 1 only we are getting it as negative 88. That only we are writing dash into dash is equal to negative 8. And if we add or subtract, we want to get it as what?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. So same concept if you apply here. Instead of negative 88, we have what? Negative 88 a square. If negative 88 a square, if we multiply by the coefficient of x square here 1. So dash into dash we should get it as negative 88, not only negative 88, negative 88 a square also. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So dash into dash we should get it as negative 88 a square. So that problem finished. Then next, here what we said, middle term negative 3. That means it contains the variable x. Variable x is there. X is there. So we are taking the coefficient of x only. That is negative 3. Negative 3 is the coefficient of x. It's a quadratic in x. X square, x without x. So x coefficient is negative 3. Same way, that is, if we add or subtract in this question, we are taking it as negative 3. So same way, what we have to do here, if we add or subtract, we want to get it as what?
Negative 3. Negative 3a.
Negative, very good. Negative 3, not only negative 3. Negative 3a, coefficient of x is what? Negative 3a also there. That also you have to write. Negative 3a. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if needed means you write this in the working order. That is better. This explanation. This one. Instead of this, if we are taking this means we will write negative 88 and negative 3. But we have negative 88 a square. Then negative 88 a square and 3. So 88 and 3. So how we will get that 88 and 3? Which two? Don't bother about a or a square. The number only you could think. 88 is 3. Either you can use prime factorization method or 1 into 88 is equal to 88 both ways. Find out. Anyway,
Minus 11 into 8. Minus 11 into 8.
very good. Minus 11 into 11 into 8 and 8, no? 11 minus 8 is what? 3. How many of you have doubt in this? 11 and 8. Is it okay? Which method you follow? Advait?
Prime factorization.
Prime factorization. So others, you are doing prime factorization method?
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
Okay. 2. Since it is a bigger number of 88 means it will be difficult for us to do this factors. So better do prime factorization. So depending upon the question, which is easy. The 2 and 3 means we don't want any method. Directly we can write what 2 and 1 means only 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 and what 2 into 1 3 into 1 is 3 into 1 is 3 and previous question 3 into 1 is 3 we wrote and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. We didn't do any method, prime factorization or factorization method. So same way, which method is convenient you do. So here also 2, then check it whether possible or not. 22 and 4. 22, 4. So no, we won't get 3. So again we can do with the 2. Again we can do with the 2. 2 into 2 into 2. So this one will be 8 and 11.
8 into 11.
8 into 11. Then 8 minus 11. So what we have to do? This 8 into, since 11, sign of 11 is negative, we have to place that sign also there. Then is it finished?
No, ma'am. We should get a square. A square and a.
So what we have to write? Negative 3a. We need.
8a.
8A into 7A.
8a into 11a.
8a minus 11a. So it will be negative 3a. So that a we have to place here. Then same a also we have to write. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to split this one. Which one? 88a. What the 3a? No.
3A.
X square minus 3ax. We can write it as what?
8A.
Plus
11.
x. X also we have to write. No. 8ax
8AX
minus
11A.
not 11a. 11a x also you have to write. Then minus splitting the middle term only. So no need to do anything. 88a square as 88a square itself. Anyone have any doubt in this? Please raise your hands or tell me. Want to repeat or you will watch the recorded video once again.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
Each part you have doubt. Which part you have doubt?
Ma'am, ma'am, that how 8AX came, that part.
Ma'am, you are muted.
This 8a and 11a. 8a and 11a. How you are taking 8a and 11a? That is your problem.
No, ma'am, that 8 in splitting that 3AX, how 8AX came.
X. So, okay. This one. Negative 8 minus 11 is what?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. If we want to get it as negative 3a, what we have to do? 8 and
minus 11A.
8a
Minus 11A.
11a. Okay. So if you want to get this negative 3ax, what you have to do?
8AX minus 11AX. Minus 11AX.
That only I wrote no.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So 8ax minus. If you have any confusion like this means what I will always say about this apple story, no? 2 apples minus 3 apples. 2 minus 3 is what? Negative 1. So 2 apples minus 3 apples is what? Negative 1, only negative 1.
Negative 1 apple.
You have to say it as negative 1
Apple.
apples. Apple itself you have to say. Apple itself you have to say, no? So same way, instead of apple, if you replace it as what? X or Y, anything. So that same thing will come in that answer also, negative 1x. That's all. Okay. So next negative 11ax is here, positive 8ax is here. So x then balance. You can take only x here, no?
X plus 8a.
X plus
X plus
8
x plus 8a. Then
and
that same
X plus 8a.
X plus 8a.
x plus 8a we can take then.
11a.
Minus 11a.
To 11a. Do we want to write x? No need. Already we change the bracket. We will get it as negative 11ax. Negative into positive negative. 11 into 8, 88. A into a square. So if we write this properly, automatically the second term will be okay. So x plus
8a. X minus 11a. X minus 11a.
x minus 11. X plus 8a into x minus 11a. The next question. Fifth one. 6a square minus a minus 15. That you can do it. That we have done in the rough book, you know. That same question only. 1, 2, and 5. Fifth question. 6a square. Then who will teach us? Tell me, anyone. I will become a student. Tell me, anyone. Anyone, please explain. No problem. We are all students now, so no problem here. We will adjust. Come on, anyone? No one. You say. Anyone, please explain this question. Tell me the answer. Anyone, please. Come on.
Ma'am.
Okay. Anatrisa, come on. What I have to write? You are writing the same way I will write in my board. Okay. While explaining, you are writing no same way. Anna, explain.
We should split.
Ma'am,
Okay, you do it. Okay. Okay, you do it. I will give you time. Okay, 1 second. They are trying. Okay, one second, Anna. Do in your notebook first. After completing, tell me, okay? Completed. Now come on. Explain.
ma'am, dash into dash is equal to
Dash
negative. Negative a.
90, negative 90.
Negative 90. How you are getting that negative 90? Please explain me. Negative,
Negative
15 into
negative 15 into.
into 6.
Okay. So it is negative 9. So that part okay. Then next. Anna got it? Then others. Tell me.
Ma'am.
dash equal to negative a.
Okay. Dash into dash. Add or subtract. We want to get it as negative.
1.
Negative A or negative 1. Someone is saying negative A. Is it correct? No.
Negative 1.
No.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Srinandana? Negative 1. Okay. Then
9 into negative 10 is equal to 90. Negative 90.
9 into negative 10 is equal to negative 90. So how you are getting this? Which method you apply 9 and 10 for getting 9 and 10? Explain that. Rough calculation or factorization method or
Calculation.
rough calculation. Okay. 9 into 10, 9, negative 90. Then 1 we need means 10 and 9. So 9 minus 10. So directly like 2 and 3. 2, 3, 1 we are doing. So same way we can do 9 and 10. So 9 minus 10, negative 1. Okay. I'm waiting for you.
Square minus 8 plus
Square plus 9a
Minus 9 minus 10 minus 3.
a
2a
common.
plus 3.
A.
2a. 3a minus 5. Bracket.
3a
Minus 5. Minus 5.
Minus
minus
5.
3a minus 5. Which two you took one? Oh, you wrote a 10a. Yes?
Plus 10. Minus 10.
Okay, you wrote minus 10a first. Okay, minus 10a first. Okay, okay. Minus 10a. Then plus after that only you wrote 9a. Okay. So from here you took it to 2a. Then balance
5.
Into a minus 5.
Minus 5.
3a
Plus
minus
3 minus 5.
Plus 3.
3.
plus
3 plus
3 into
Minus 5.
3 minus 5 into 2a plus 3.
3a minus 5 into
3a
2a
minus 5. A plus 3.
2a plus 3a minus 5 into 2a plus 3. Okay. Okay, thank you. So next question tomorrow we can do. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am.